Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just want to let you know I have started testing, posted this on my Instagram, turned on the paper trading bot for forex, so I'm now testing paper forex. Here's what it looks like. My Redis, it's right there. You'll see a pair trading pause position FX. And not only that, so that is picking up anything that co-integrates. Here's what was picked up last night. That pair combination does it once a day at 1:30 once the servers in Asia get reset on Awanda. And this is momentum now. This is the positions that took place earlier today. So Forex is starting to come alive. Looks like people are wanting forex, so we've got that workshop coming up Tuesday, July 23rd, and that's going to start happening on 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On that, have a good day.